In this video, you will learn how to create a presentation folder design in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, create a new file. When we design a presentation folder, if we design only one side, the width is usually 9 inches and height 12 inches. But since we are designing both sides on an artboard, we will double the width to 18 inches, while the height will remain the same. Set the bleed to 0.125 inches on all sides. Choose CMYK color mode. Set the resolution to 300 ppi, and then click Create. Now, we will divide the artboard into two parts. One will be the front side and the other will be the back side. For this, press Ctrl+R to turn on guides. Then create a vertical guide from the rulers and align it horizontally center to place it exactly in the center. This will help us separate the front and back sides clearly. First, select the guide. Go to Object, Lock Selection, so that it will not move while designing. Then, select the rectangle tool, draw a background shape. Choose the white fill color. Then press Ctrl+2 to lock it so it doesn't move while designing. After that, select the pen tool and draw a custom shape. I have already chosen my colors, so I will use the eyedropper tool to fill the shape with color. Next, use the curvature tool to adjust the point smoothly. Now, duplicate the shape. Change its color. Bring the lower shape above. Rotate it slightly. And then use the Shape Builder tool to merge the extra areas. Create another copy of this shape. Change its color. Place it here. And merge the shared areas using the Shape Builder tool. Now unlock the background layer. Select the background and all shapes. Using the Shape Builder tool again, delete any extra areas that go outside the artboard. Now, select all shapes while holding Shift. Press Ctrl+G, and group them. Now, place the images properly on both the front and back sides of the folder. To save the time, I already clip-masked them according to artboard size. Use the Align panel to align them correctly. Right-click on the Shapes group and choose Arrange, Bring to Front. Now place the text that I have already written using Text tool. Draw a rectangle. Place this text on rectangle. Place the logo. Now with Ellipse tool, draw a circular shape. Make its copy. Change their color with eyedropper tool. Select the shapes and background. With Shape Builder tool, delete the area outside the artboard. Now I place contact information and QR code on the backside of folder. And place the design made with logo. Draw a rectangle on logo design. Select both rectangle and logo design. Right-click and make clipping mask to hide the logo design outside the artboard. Also place the logo here. Our presentation folder design is ready. Please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.